So here we can see what are the different collections available in Apex. Okay, so similar to Java, like Apex 2 have a collection utility. So collection is nothing but holding different objects. Okay, yeah, it is a place to hold. It's kind of a bucket where you can have a bucket full of fruits or bucket full of vegetables, right? So, here you are going to create a bucket which can hold the objects. Okay, objects of same varieties. Okay, it can be a pool of car object, pool of person object. So it is a kind of a bucket. Collection is nothing but a bucket, okay, which can hold a pool of objects. Okay, so there are different types of object collections. Okay, we have list, we have set, we have map. Okay, so what is list? List is it's a commonly used collection where like you can uh, have duplicate objects. Like you can have a same fruits, you can save it in list again and again and again. Okay, and the advantage of using list is, okay, the index where it is storing. Okay, so when you put the first object, it goes to the index 0. Okay, so it is mostly index based. Okay, so in the memory, like you have 0 index 1 2 3 4 5. So when you put a first object, it goes to 0th index, second goes to first index, and 100 go to 100 index. Okay, so if you want to get an object which is at the 50th index, you just need to say list it or get 50. Okay, so that will give you uh, the value of uh, the object which is at the 50th index. Okay, so list is it's a straightforward. Okay, just to create a list object. Okay, keep adding and get based upon um, the index location. Okay, so that is one way of getting the value, and other way of getting the value is iterating using the for loop, like where you need to start from the 0th position and iterate till the size of the list and get each value, right, from 0 to 2 size of list. Okay, and this is a shortest form of a for loop where this will take care of getting the data, like incrementing and getting the data from that position. Like this particular short form will take care, and you have the 0th position, first, second, third, fourth, all the values you get here, and you just print it. Okay, it's a short form of the for loop. Okay, and next comes a set. Set is similar to list, but set cannot have a same object. Okay, it cannot store the duplicate. For example, if you putting number 1 again and again and again, at the end the size of a set going to be 1, because it won't allow you the duplicate. Okay, so so that is nothing but a set. And otherwise, like iterating the data from the set is also same like a list. You need to add, and set is not index based. Okay, so you to get the item, you need to iterate and you need to get. Okay, you cannot get based upon the index, because in the set the order is not confirmed. In the list the order is confirmed. Okay, in the set it is unordered, like it will be storing in random location, and you need to iterate and you need to get the data. Okay, and there is a way to convert a list to set. Just pass the list to a set constructor, and you get a list as a set. Okay, why we are doing this? Because there might be a requirement where you have a list have a duplicate objects, right? So if you only want a unique object, then to convert a duplicate object, set of collection of duplicate object into a collection of unique object, then you need to go with this one. Okay, and the last one is map. Map stores a key value pair. Okay, so for every, like if like for example in the index, right, in the list, like by default index is given to a object, right? So here you can define what is your index. Okay, like whether it can go in a 0 location, or key can be anything. It can be integer, it can be string. Let's say like you want to create the employees and the department mapping, right? Your department can have a number of employees, right? So you can for department HR department, just create a list of employees and keep adding the employees to that list. And HR is a key and value is a list of employees. Okay. And you have lab department, and so lab is a key and list of employees will be um, the value, right? So that is the scenario where you need to use the map is nothing but a key value pair. Okay, so to store your data you need to use a put. Okay, to get a data there are two ways. One is get a key set. Okay, and key set will give you all the keys and iterate over the keys and get the values. Okay, so you iterating the keys, get a first key and using get a value of that key, and get a second key, you get a value of that key. So that is one way. Okay. So that's all. Like we have a list, set and map. So list, it's ordered but doesn't maintain duplicate. Set is unordered but maintain duplicate. Map, it's a key value pair. Hope you are clear.